Hi, in this topic we are going to see what are the average costs. Here we can see the average fixed cost, average variable cost and average cost or average total cost. Average fixed cost we can use a formula by using this formula we can calculate the average fixed cost. That is a total fixed cost over number of units or quantity. Average variable cost is a total variable cost over the number of units or quantity. Average cost or average total cost can be calculated by total cost over the number of units or quantity produced. First we are going to see what is average fixed cost. Average fixed cost is a fixed cost of 1 unit of output. If a firm is producing so many units of output, how much fixed cost it has to pay for 1 unit of output? That is an average fixed cost. The formula we can use for the average fixed cost is total fixed cost over number of units produced. Then we will get to the average fixed cost. Next we are going to see what is the average variable cost. Average variable cost is a variable cost of one or single unit of output. When a firm doing the production process, how much variable cost it has to pay for a single unit of output? That is called the average variable cost. The formula here we can use is total variable cost over number of outputs. TVC over Q or quantity is a formula we can use to calculate the average variable cost. Next we are going to see what is the total variable cost. What is the average cost or average total cost. Average cost or total average cost. That is we know even total cost is the addition of both the fixed cost and variable cost. So the average cost is when we divide the TC with the number of output produced, then we will get the AC or average cost or average total cost. Okay, the average total cost can be calculated. One more method we can use by adding the average fixed cost and the average variable cost. If we add, we will get the total average cost or average cost. And the next point we are going to discuss here is marginal cost. Marginal cost is a cost of an additional unit of output. When a firm is producing one additional unit of output, how much cost the firm has to pay for that particular 1 unit of output? For the additional units, how much cost the firm has to pay? That is called the marginal cost. Marginal cost can be calculated by using the formula change the total cost over change in Q. Change in total cost means how much total cost has increased. We can divide that number with how much output has been increased. So we will get the marginal cost. Change in TC over change in Q. So we are going to revise what we discussed in this topic today. First we discussed 3 types of average cost. Average fixed cost, average variable cost and average cost. Average fixed cost formula is total fixed cost over quantity. Average variable cost formula is total variable cost over quantity. Average cost is total cost over quantity. Next we discuss here the marginal cost, the cost of one additional unit of output. Formula we can use here change in TC over change in Q. Thank you.